How am I supposed to let you go? How am I supposed to let you walk away? How am I supposed to let you go? You're all I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted in my life. You're all I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted in my life.
Hey, run that shit, right? Yo, what's going on, guys? Day in the life of a Subaru WRX owner. You gotta check the oil. It's looking pretty good. Just gonna check it because I have one small oil leak, but yeah, it looks pretty damn full. This oil feed line for the turbo, the part that attaches to the block, it's kind of hard to see. It's kind of under all this stuff, but the part that attaches to the block has a small oil leak. And I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but who likes a leak? You know, I don't like leaks. It's leaking right on top of the up pipe, so it causes a little bit of smoke when I'm get off the freeway or do a hard pull. Start it up. I just love that sound of the engine on this boxer engine. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. On my bumper, we have a bit of a paint problem. The PPF is coming off and everything like that. So I'm gonna go talk to this guy and see what prices he has for repainting. And then yeah, hopefully that will make this car look a little bit better. What's up, guys? We're just getting some gas right now. Look at this. Everything started snowing. But yeah, I'm gonna make a little edit. Hope you guys enjoy. I appreciate everyone who's commenting, liking. It really helps me out. I want to do some shout outs eventually when I hit like 100 subscribers. But yeah, enjoy this edit.